We're doing a sushi train. We're doing a sushi train. Ah. We are John and Christine, and we've been working in the oil fields 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the past 3 years, saving to travel the world. And now, that day has finally come. Good morning, TDD family. We are leaving our place here and we're headed to our next destination, which is our final and last destination here in Bangkok. Sadly, but everything has been taken care of. Everything is healing nicely. I'm looking forward to being here for just a little bit longer. I have to finalize on a crown. But we're also ready to go and explore our next destination here in Thailand. We're gonna hit up a new mall called Terminal 21. It's another big mall here, and in that we're gonna do some shopping, but we're also going to try some different foods because they have something inside called Pier 21, which is a pretty big food court, I believe as you would call it. So that's kind of what we're gonna do today. I don't know what else we have planned, but we're gonna kind of see where the rest of the day takes us after that.
What she said.
Yeah. That.
That's what we're doing.
Yep.
That's what she said.
Yep.
So we really enjoyed it in Bangkok, but I'm also feeling it's time to move on to the next place now. Been here for long enough to get a good feel for it, and I would definitely come back. But part of what makes us TDD is we need to keep moving. We need to keep moving. Now we've been here for too long. So we're looking forward to going to the next spot. And that's going to be nice to get a different change of scenery, different things to see, different things to do. So it's going to be really nice to move on when we do. But for the next 3 days, we're going to go find stuff to do here. And we're going to enjoy ourselves while we have some time left here.
4 flights of stairs. All of this. It'll be alright.
I'll be carrying it down to 4 flights of stairs.
That's because you're my Hercules. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Oh yeah. That's Hercules right there. Strong man. Well, that's really good timing. A train's coming, so all the traffic just stops, and there's a taxi right there for us. Woohoo!
Oh, Peter?
Come, awesome, look at this. What?
Yes. Yeah. Window, last.
So we just got upgraded also. What? I'm excited.
This is a very nice hotel. It's in a central spot, and there's a lot of nightlife around here.
Oh,
so
yeah.
we picked a nightlife location because we wanted to be able to experience this area. But it looks really nice. I'm happy with it.
I'm excited to see the room, but this area is super busy with a lot of people, so I'm excited. Sawadika. It's cute. Oh. I love it. It's small, but it's perfect.
So we got a very comfortable, very nice room. Got upgraded down at the desk. It's amazing. When you carry around a camera, all of a sudden people upgrade you a lot.
Yeah.
We might have to start using the bigger camera because that might get us bigger upgrades. Here we have our beautiful room. It's smaller, but it's comfortable. We got our nice, soft cushion mattress. It's actually really soft. We got our nice, beautiful view of the side of the building. Let's keep that closed. And then we got our workstation. It's smaller to be compatible with the room image.
I can't with you.
And then we got our little refrigerator down there, and this thing that I'm never gonna use because it's probably not really that clean, but it's a nice room, and the rest of the room is clean. And then we got our bathroom here. Now our bathroom comes equipped with a sink, a toilet, and a shower with a drain. As you know, most of our channel revolves around food.
And shopping at the moment.
That's an unintentional thing.
Yes.
The food part, because we love eating. So we are going to go to Terminal 21 now and Pier 21.
Which is right at the top.
Yep.
Big food eating area.
There you go. Okay, I think we made it.
Yep, we found it.
We found Terminal 21. It was a small place. Couldn't hardly see it.
And then all of a sudden...
Such a tiny mall. I'm being sarcastic if you didn't get that.
This is so nice. Where do we start? It's awesome.
Okay, first stop is going to be food.
Yes.
So straight up, because we need something to eat. I haven't really had anything yet today.
Neither of us have had anything really.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna go up, 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 and up, all the way. We say we're gonna do one thing, and nope, let's look at this. We gotta go here, let's walk around here, let's go there. And then by that time we're so like distracted, it's like, oh yeah, we were hungry. But I actually like it that way because we eat less that way and we're more active.
And honestly, I don't want to plan everything out. I like this. We're gonna go do this. No, we changed our mind right now. We're gonna go do that.
That just embodies the TDD side of everything, honestly, and I really wouldn't have it any other way. The best way to explore things are unplanned. See all the cars?
Yeah. Per plate. Free hot chicken.
I love you so much.
Okay, we changed our mind again.
We're doing a sushi train. We're doing a sushi train. Ah. Anywhere?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I have wanted to do a sushi train like this for so long. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. This is the perfect
I might spend more money than I planned here. A lot more. Oh god, everything looks so good. I want one of everything. I've always wanted to do something like this. This is an awesome experience.
I got salmon over rice. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is the best sushi. That is the best sushi I have ever had. It is so fresh. And the soy sauce with it, salty but perfect. There's no way to describe it. It's perfection.
Look at this. Give you little cups with tea in it. Oh, you hold that under and push it against the button.
Oh. Okay.
So I got crab with mayo, I believe. Happiest I've ever been in my life.
I know. It's like...
I cheat and I eat before I get on camera, but I got some tempura shrimp on rice with mayo, and I can tell you my reaction is going to be the same every time I eat it.
best sushi I've ever had in my life.
I second that motion.
I don't know what this is, but it's wrapped. There's rice underneath. It just looked interesting, so I want to give it a try. Oh, that's really good. It almost tastes like an egg type of covering with a sweet flavor to it. I don't know what it is. I just know it's really freaking good.
I believe this is raw shrimp. I'm not exactly sure. We're gonna try it out. Oh, definitely a little fishy, but not terrible at all. Very, very good. The rice goes excellent with it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Can I just go back and back? It was amazing. I wanted to do a sushi chain like that for so long. How much did it cost you? 440 baht?
440 baht, so that's about 3, 6, 9, 12, about $15 to $20.
Anywhere else, that would have probably cost us about $70, $80 per, and each plate was a certain price. And it just came around, and you just looked and like, oh, I want that. Okay, ooh, that looks good.
It was definitely
and the
worth
next thing
it.
came around, and it was stuck in there. It's so fresh. Everything was made right there in house. Oh my, I'm so for it now. I'm so happy. It was awesome.
Another one of life's first.
I would say if there's one thing I could do again, it would be a sushi chain like that. It was such a good experience. It was so fun. Yeah, I can't say enough good about it.
There you go.
I got it. After 5 tries.
Brandy,
This is
I'm gonna buy you that. See that?
that one.
That way you can have me around you all the time.